Welcome to my channel, Everything Diamond Painting. Tonight, I'm doing a quickie here, because I got my Craftibly order. Yay! And I don't want to bore you with all the preliminary details like the tube. You guys have probably seen many YouTube creators now showing off their craftability, and it's got the nice strap, and you can undo the tube and extend it, okay? So everybody knows that. And it's got the little end on the back here. So I'm going to put that aside. The one thing I want to do, though, is I want to get inside my goodie bag now. I know everybody's got the same goodie bag, but I want to see what my washi tape looks like and my cover minder. Yeah. Okay, so here's some washi tape. There we go. Look at that. They're both kind of like a grayish white print. Okay, so there you go. All right, washi tape. 2 rolls of washi tape. What do we got else in here? Let's see. And is that it? Yep, I think that's it. We've got the tool case. It's got the standard white tray in it, and squishy tape, or squishy finger thing, squishy, and some red glue, and the famous, oh, this one's got tweezers in it, so I must have a square. I don't know. That's how that does it anyway. It's got a 4-tip in there, and it's got like, yeah, 4-tip and something else. Anyway, it's a standard kit. Okay, I'll put that over there. Okay, and then you get the 2 red waxes. All right, so everybody's gotten those. Nice little case there with their name on it. Okay, we'll put that over there. I want to see my my cover minder. Let's open the box. I'll open the box. Ah, look at that. What's my cover minder? I don't know, it looks like a light bulb, or what does that look like to you? It's got eyes on it. What does it look like? Can you see? Does it show? I don't know. It's like a little Hershey Kiss or something with eyes, and or a Christmas light. Could be a Christmas light, huh? I don't know. Anyway, okay, so there's my cover minder. And, and it comes in this little case here. I'll put it back in there. I'll have to lay it down so it closes. There we go. This one doesn't close very good. Okay, well, that's broken. All right, are we ready? And here's the picture. Here is the picture of my beautiful Victorian lady. I am so anxious now to see the picture. And also, what they also show is the tag that comes on the tube. So if you want to store it in the tube, you'll remember which painting you're doing in there. And this one's called Victorian Lady. Okay? Okay. All right. Now, we'll get to the picture. Okay, so it comes with the rubber band here. Everybody, I've seen people undo this. And they've taken the paperwork off. So you've all seen, and the numbers, look at that. The numbers are already perforated for you on sticky tape, so you can just automatically put your labels on your containers or whatever you're going to put them on. Okay. There are 60 colors in this one. Woo-hoo! I think this is the biggest one that I am going to do. So I'll put that over there. Has your inventory sheet. Everybody has seen the inventory sheet. The telescoping art tube, softback canvas, pour glue, ABs and rhinestones, basic glitter pen, you know, sharp tweezers, random washi tape, true to size images. Goes on and on. I'm sure you those of you who have these paintings at home now have read all through that. All right, so I am going to try and get this out of the package now. Okay, here we go. Whoop. Oh, here is the tape side. Yay, I found it, I found it. Alright, let's get this out here. Alright, and we'll pull it down out of the package. Okay, so I'll put this over here. Alright. Oh, and it's got some tape on here. I need, got my scissors right over here. Yeah, I heard some comments on YouTubers that because the tape is on here, it's supposed to come off really easy, but some of them are saying that it's leaving a residue on the back of the canvas. But it's the back of the canvas, so, you know, that's okay. Here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. We're going to unroll this. Look at this. Look at the color. Oh my God. I can't believe how beautiful this is. Look at that face. Oh my gosh, look at, this is what struck me in the picture when I was looking. Let me fold this a little backwards here and I'll see if I can get all the folds out of it. Hey, you know, if you have this picture, say it in the comment section, because I thought I was the only one that bought it. I've never seen anybody, you know, talk about it. So, I know there's another girl, another creator that I heard that unboxed this on her channel. So I thought, well, I know some people want to see it. So, and I was anxious to see it. I just, gosh, oh my gosh, look at that. I can't even get the whole thing on the camera. Look at this. Look at this. Look at those eyes and that face. I love the hat. Oh my God, look how great it is. And the the drill area, look how clear that is. Craftibly, you've outdone yourself. Hey, you know, I've been following them since I pre-ordered this back in April, and I just think they've worked miracles to get these paintings out. Like everyone said, you know, they got overwhelmed. They didn't realize they were going to do as good, and and the shipping problems they had, and the computer problems, but they outdid themselves. Let's see. Let's take a look at this painting and see what we got here. Okay, there's 60 colors. Here's the legend. You've already seen the picture. I don't know if I need to do that. Show you. Look at that long legend. There's 60 numbers in there. Oh. And then the legend. Oh, here's the other picture. They got the other picture over here. And here's the other legend on this side. But look at these colors. There's purple and the turquoise. And everything's like, this is the Victorian Lady. I wished I was born in these times to look like this, but I remember telling that to my mom when I was little, and she said, nah, we'd be poor and you'd be wearing rags anyway. You wouldn't be wearing a dress like that. So, but I don't know what else to say about this. It's just gorgeous. It's long. This one is 20 by 28 centimeters. Let's see. I read on, yeah, 20 by 28 round. It's a round, and yet I still got tweezers in there. That's cool. That's cool. So there's my beautiful picture. Let's see. Do we see the bottom? Yeah, you can see the bottom. And it's called Victorian Lady by Alina Lazareva. I guess that's how you say her name. You see her name here? Maybe you can... Oh. All right, come on, focus. It's trying to. It's trying to. I can't get it any closer. It doesn't want to focus. Why isn't it? Okay, anyway, this camera, I don't know, drives me nuts. So, anything else you'd like to know about this? I was so anxious to see her. I just can't believe how beautiful she is. And how clear the drill field is. Look at those lips. Yeah. Okay, we're going to go over the ABs now. I will show you where they are. we've got these symbols for the ABs. I don't know if you could see those. The, well, it's a dot and a 6 and a circle with a dot. Okay, so one is white, one is purple, and one is green. Okay, let's lay this out and we can see what it is. All right, so we got the whole picture in here. All right, so let's see. We've got, oh, here's the 6s lining her ABs, the purple ABs lining her little skirting here. So those are going to be ABs, the purple ones. We've got some ABs in here, these little white circles. So, ooh, she's going to have like white, white lace. Couldn't think of the word. White lace around here. And then if you go up into her hat here, there's white ABs, and then there's also green. This green, the dots here are green ABs. So it's gonna, and these are ABs to highlight her hat up here. It's gonna be really pretty. And then of course, you know me, I'm probably gonna add some stuff somewhere in here, some crystals or something. So that is the picture.
Yeah.
Now,
what size is it?
I already told them that.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I told them that. It was 20 by 28. Again, my husband, cameraman's back here helping me.
How about the drills?
Okay, let's look at the drills. But isn't that just a gorgeous painting? Look at that face. That face is what attracted me to this. It's so striking. So imagine what it's going to look like when it's all drilled in, okay? I know, I'm really dramatic, aren't I? Okay, shall we get into opening up these drills and seeing what the ABs look like? Yeah. Oops, I don't. So, let me get this. Forgive the noise, like everyone says. Sorry, I don't mean to make so much noise, but we'll get to it here. All right. So, I wonder if there's an easy way of getting these out so that they don't. So, what are the numbers? It's 59, 58, 57, and they've got them in order, I think. Look at that. Look at that, they've got them in order. Oh my God, I can't believe that. So it's 57, 58, and what was the other one? 59. So there's got to be 59, and there's 50. Oh my gosh, was that easy to find or what? There's another point for you. Craftibly, getting all these bags in order. Imagine how much time it took for them to get this done in order. Wow. Okay. So I'm not going to take them all out. I'm just, you see the colors here, because then I'll never get them back in the bag, and I'm not going to be doing it right now. But look at all those pretty colors. Okay. Here is the green that's going to be in the hat here. Okay. Green. There. Can you see those? Is it showing good? Nice leaf green. See that? There. Now you can see some of the twinkle on it. Okay. So that's going to go on the hat. And this, these whites, see the sparkle? Oh, look at the sparkle on those. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty, huh? Look at that. So the whites are going to go in the hat and in around here. And I think some of it's going to go around in her face too. Well, we'll see, huh? And then, did I already show the purple? Did I show the green? Did I show the purple that's going to be lining this part?
No.
There we go. There's the purple. Look how pretty those are. Oh my gosh, that is going to add. See the shine on those? Okay, so there was my quickie version of my unboxing for Victorian woman. She's just beautiful. I can't believe it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remind y'all to subscribe, like, and click that bell so you get notices of more videos that I put out. And I'll be back in a day or two for another unboxing. And also join my Facebook group, Diamond Painting with Joy. And when you join, if you answer all the questions, then you don't need to wait for a response. You're just automatically in there. And right now, just having people show their Christmas paintings for Christmas in July, if they're doing any. I've been posting pictures. I got some new pens, and I'm going to be posting this picture on there so everybody can see. I guess that's about it. If you're new, hey, welcome. And see the beautiful work that Craftibly has been doing. And I'm sure you've seen, you know, the other videos out there. So I'm going to say good night. And is there anything else that I forgot to mention? I don't think so, huh?
Facebook.
I did my Facebook.
Okay.
So anyway, we'll talk to you later. And come back. And if you're new, welcome. Come back, okay? Join my channel. All right. Bye-bye.